Happy Friday, everyone. It is Friday, February 26, 2021. We've been talking about curiosity all week. We've been having fun with Curious George. He went missing yesterday. He's not missing today. But he is super curious all week long, and he's been doing so many things. He got up really early and started reading all those books, and he fell asleep. So just be kind of quiet and let Curious George rest. It's okay, though, because he's got a weekend. And he's going to leave school for the weekend. He's going to go back to his normal life. And that's kind of what we're going to talk about today. Can you please stand at attention before we start? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you guys can have a seat. So like I said, Curious George, he's going home for the weekend. He's not going to be at school all weekend, but he's not going to stop being curious. And to really enjoy like the power of curiosity and become a very curious person, you should be curious every day and trying to find out about things outside of school. So I want to know this morning, tell us something that's outside of school that you are curious about and you want to learn more about. I'll tell you a couple things right now that I'm curious about outside of school. Number one thing that I'm curious, it's February 26th. It's that time of year when it's starting to be spring and things are warming up, which means those bass in Orville Lake are probably starting to move around a little bit. And I'm curious and I'm wondering, are they starting to move around, and is the fishing starting to get good yet? That's interesting. I'm curious about that. I wonder how I could figure out an answer to that. Might have to do a little fishing this weekend. Or here's another thing I'm curious about. How did that musician make up that song? It's cool that they can play it, but how did they even think of that? Or how did that artist decide to paint this? Or you know what's another question? I really like pizza, and I really like tacos. I wonder if there's any good way to combine the best parts of pizza and the best parts of tacos. I'm curious about so many things and things that happen outside of school. I want to know today, what are you curious about? What's something outside of school that you are curious about? Have a great weekend, Achieve.